You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than negative 1545 over 2 greater than negative 7721 over 2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Combine like terms. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 103 over 4. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than negative 1545 over 2 greater than negative 7721 over 2.